So this is just going to be a quick review. We spent a day on addition equations and a day on subtraction equations, and today you're going to put those together and decide what you have to do. So here are the two questions that you need to ask yourself, and I want you to write them down, okay, at the top of your homework paper, whatever, okay? What is happening to the variable? Is it addition or is it subtraction? What is happening to the variable? And your second question is, how do I undo it? Undo it. Okay, and these are the two questions that you're going to ask yourself for every one of your homework problems. So right now, do these problems along with me. Okay, if I have j minus 16 equals 8. What is happening to the variable? Subtraction. How do I undo subtraction? I use addition. It's the magic antidote. And that is how we're going to be able to get j alone. Okay? And we see that j will equal 24. All right, and again, you're going to go back and do your check. You're going to plug 24 in for j, minus 16 equals 8. And that that does indeed check out. 8 equals 8. Okay, now you're going to circle this as your answer. Some of you are circling this as your answer. Don't do that. Okay, that's confusing to me. Circle your actual answer so I can find it. Okay, so one more example. What if we had v plus 29 equals 64? What is happening to the variable? Addition. It's being added to. So we have to undo that by the opposite, subtraction. You're going to subtract 29 from both sides. Okay, this is going to go away. V is going to be very happy because he's alone. And when we actually do the subtraction, we will get 35. Okay, so let's plug it back in. For V plus 29 equals 64. And if you add that up, it does indeed equal 64. And therefore, 35 is your answer. Okay, so take your time, ask yourself these two questions, and then the other thing that you need to remember is your integer rules. Okay, if you are subtracting integers, negatives, make sure that you are using keep, change, change. Okay, I'm going to write KCC. Write that at the top of your paper. I'd say about half of you forgot that last week. Okay, if they're adding, then use who won by how much. Whoops. Whoa, that was weird, right? By how much. Okay, use those rules. All right, take your time. There's a worksheet. Do your best.